Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen. Myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss some important functions in Microsoft Excel. Means in office we are very used to do different type of calculations in our MS Excel application. So today I will provide some important function like vlookup, hlookup, some gradation calculation, etc. I will try to discuss this function step by step elaborately. So go to the computer screen. Through Microsoft Excel application, I will discuss today's topic. Okay? Hello friends, I'm just within the Excel, means Microsoft Excel application, and at first we calculate the grade. So here I provide a mark sheet of 5 students, have the name of the student, some subject name is provided, Bengali, English, Math, Physics, Chemistry, Environment Science, and we find out the total marks and also find out the average. Now if we find out the grade, so it should be on the average. Okay, suppose if the average is greater or equal 90, then the grade is S. Okay, if the average is greater or equal 80, then it is A. In that way we find out the grade for this 5 students is concerned. Okay, so how to write the grade calculation function here? Here we are using if. Okay, how? Just write equal, then we just write if, and then round bracket open, and what is the position of the first row for average is concerned? This is the J8. So just write J8 greater or equal 90. Okay, if it's greater or equal 90, then we just write within double quote S, means the grade is S, then comma, then again write if, again write J8, this position is greater or equal 80, then we put the grade is A. Okay, within double quote. Again we check condition, if J8 greater or equal 70, then suppose we put the grade is B. Again check, if J8 greater or equal 60, then we put, suppose the grade is C. And again we check, if J8 greater or equal 50, then we put the grade is suppose D. Okay, then double quote close, and now less than 50 we just write here fail. Okay, then this is important to close all the round brackets. So this is the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. Right, so we get at first the grade is A, then this will the student for Orun, the grade is A. Why? Because the average is 80.667. Now just we are drag this particular cell, if this plus sign is there, just left click and just vertically drag. So we get all the grade for each and every student is concerned. Okay, so now if we just find out the formula, what we write if, and then within round bracket we at first check the particular position of the average cell name is J8, J8 greater or equal to 90, grade is S, then greater or equal to 80 is A, greater or equal 70 is B, greater or equal 60 is C, greater or equal 50 is D, otherwise less than 50 is fail. So on that calculation we got this grade for this average is concerned. Okay, so in that way we can calculate any student. If we got the average for the student, we can find out the gradation of any mark sheet is concerned. Okay, now another function is there, very important, which is vlookup. VLOOKUP stands for vertical lookup. Okay, now for vertical lookup is concerned, so what does mean? It means your comparison values are located in column wise. Okay, so here the table is given, the fruit name is provided, some quantity is given, some price per kg is given. Okay, suppose we find out the quantity of banana. For this table is concerned, we find out here using this vlookup. Okay, so actually we are searching that particular quantity from the fruit name is suppose banana. So how we are do using this vlookup function? Okay, just write equal and then just write vlookup. So just write vlookup. Then within round bracket we write the statements, or we write the argument for that function is concerned. Okay, so at first this particular searching is concerned for the fruit is banana. So this position is, we are already write banana. So the position is what? E11. So we can write E11 here at first, then put comma. Then we put the all the ranges is concerned for particular vlookup is concerned. So for that case what we take? Suppose this is the particular position is apple is our D3. From this apple to we take up to 250. So this total range we should take as our calculation is concerned. Means the quantity should present within this range. Okay, so start from this apple and up to go to this 250. Okay, and then put comma. Then this quantity, this particular column name should be taken. So this is the first column 1, this is 2, this is 3. So quantity is present within this second column. So just write 2 here and then comma, then put right here just false. Means false means when we search a perfect match, then we are using this false here. Okay, or either write 0 also. If you press enter, so just see 74, yes, from there we already banana is 74 in quantity, so we got there the result using vlookup. Same way, if we find out the price per kg of cherry, so it is 182. So same way we just write equal vlookup within round bracket, then we write at the position which fruit name we want to search. This is cherry, the position is E13, then write comma, and same way take the range from apple to 250 because within that range the value is present, then comma, and now this column is 3 because this 1, 2, 3. Okay, so just write 3 here, then comma, then same way just write false because we want to exact match. So press enter. Yes, it is 182 because cherry, the price per kg provided in this table is 182. Okay, so in this vlookup function, what we do using vlookup function, our comparison value are located in column wise. Okay, so the column wise we are get the value because this is for the column is 2 and this is for the column is 3 because 1, 2, 3 in that way. Okay, now we talk about the hlookup function. This function can do what? Your comparison data or values are located in row wise. Okay, suppose we provide a table here, price per kg of fruits for 5 days. So day 1, day 2, in that way day 5. Lots of fruit names are there, apple, banana, kiwi, orange, etc, etc. So we find out the price per kg of orange in day 1 and day 5 for an example. Okay, that's why it's highlighted into in red color in 200 and 210. In day 1 the value is 200 and day 5 the value is 210. So how we can find out? So first day 1 is concerned, just write equal and then we just write hlookup. Okay, same way what we find out for the orange. So this orange position is what? G6 here. Okay, then we write the range. So range start from this apple to go up to 440, the last value. Okay, then put comma. Then what happened? This row number is concerned, for this is the starting part is there. So this row number is what? This row number is concerned is what? Is the second row. So just write here 2. Okay, and then we write same way false because for exact match we write the false or 0. Just press enter. So we get 200. Yes, the orange day 1 price per kg is 200. We got here. Same way, suppose we find out the day 4 for example. Okay, so we just highlighted it. So 240 should be there. How to write? Just write equal, then just write what? hlookup. Same way, orange position is what? Is G6. Then just take the range from apple to 440. Then write comma. Then For day 4, this is your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth row, okay, and then just write false for exact matching. Yes, it is 240, right? Same way we find out this particular price per kg of orange is 240 in the day 4. Now just find out for the day 5, just write equal and just write hlookup. And then what we write? We can write the value, either we write the sale number or the value directly. So just write here within double quote orange, okay, because this particular orange is present within that. And after we just write comma and then take the range from apple to 440, then comma, then write 6 because this is our 6th row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, and then just write false because for exact matching, then press enter. Yes, it is 210, this is provided to there, right? So in that way we can find out the values using hlookup function. What it does actually, your comparison values are located in row wise, right? Now we talk about the match function. Okay, now here we provide some details of 5 employee. So employee code, city, DOB means date of birth, mobile number, gender is provided, and also the name of the employee is there. Now we find out which position this partner is occur, this city. And suppose if we take from this particular row, so this is the first row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Patna is in your 5th position. If we calculate for Chennai occurrence, in which position? 1, 2, 3, the 3rd. So how to find out or match this particular value from the table? So just write equal, then just write match, and same way we take our value at first. What we want to search is the Patna, is the position is G13, then just write comma, and then we take this city, start from this and just go to Patna, right? So from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so G6 colon G10, and then put comma and then just write false because for exact matching and press enter. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Patna is in 5th position. Same way if you find out the Chennai, so just write equal match and just write the value for Chennai. The cell number is G14 because G and this is 14, and then comma. Same way we take this column, start from Kolkata and to up to Patna, so G6 colon G10 comma, and then just write false for exact matching and press enter. Yes, Chennai is 3, 1, 2, 3. So using match, this particular function, we can find out what we find out. We can find out which position a particular value is occur. Like Chennai occur within this particular table in the position 3rd and Patna in 5th respectively, right? I hope you have understood today's Excel function. Especially we discussed different function here. First one for gradation calculation in mark sheet table is concerned. Second one for vlookup and also for hlookup, two distinct searching technique or matching technique for comparison values in row wise or column wise, and also the match. Through this function you can find out a particular position of the value within a table, right? If you like this video, please like it, share it. If you have some doubts for today's topic is concerned, just write in the comment section. I try to solve this problem. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe it. Keep watching my channel Technical Argwen. Thank you and bye bye.